Why settle for plain oats when you can have this creamy chocolate oatmeal that is healthy and nourishing, packed with fiber, naturally sweetened, and tastes like dessert? To a pan, add 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and creaminess, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor, and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Toast for a couple of minutes to bring out a nutty aroma and deepen the chocolate flavor. Add in 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water. The milk makes it creamy while the water keeps it light. You can adjust to your desired creaminess. Mix everything together, then cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the oats are soft, thick, and creamy. Add in a drizzle of raw honey to naturally sweeten the oatmeal and some dark chocolate compound for that indulgent, melt-in-your-mouth richness. Mix until the chocolate is fully melted and the oatmeal comes together into a rich, creamy bowl with a velvety texture and a deep chocolatey taste. Serve the oatmeal while still hot. Top with banana slices for natural sweetness and creaminess, and a few chocolate chips if you're feeling fancy. Enjoy this comforting dessert-like breakfast that is both satisfying and nourishing. If you're craving something brighter, check out my orange oatmeal recipe next. See you there.